Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn image to pencil sketch effect in Photoshop. Let's start. Select this image. Okay, go to layer. Select the background, Ctrl plus J. Copy one layer. Go to layer page. Hue, saturation -100. See the image go to black and white. Select layer 1, Ctrl plus I. The image change blend mode. Layer mode, color dodge. See, only show plain white. Go filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Select the Gaussian blur, radius. See the preview, little increase like a pencil sketch. Little increase, yeah, 2, radius 2 is fine. See the preview. Go to layer, little increase the levels, decrease the brightness, little brightness and contrast. Decrease the brightness, increase the contrast. See, I need to copy the actual image. I need this Shift plus Alt plus Ctrl plus E. The layer 2. This is the copy layer. Go to convert to smart, filter, noise, add noise. See the preview, little increase the amount. This is the over noise. Select 4 to 5. Yeah, 4 is fine. Go to sharpen, smart sharpen. Select the smart sharpen. I'm on 24%. See the preview. We're going to use like a pencil sketch. Increase the radius. This is over dark. Okay, this is fine. See the preview for smart sharpen. Okay, this is fine. Just okay. I need to hair little dark. I need a one copy image. Again Shift plus Alt plus Ctrl plus E. Select layer 3. Go to filter gallery. This is the filter gallery. Select poster edge. This is the poster edge thickness. See the preview, which is the best one you can to select for your images. Okay. Now see the hair little dark. Go to layer mask. Select brush tool. Select bracket key. Increase or decrease the brush tool size. Fill color black. Just drag the another part. Need hair only. Can to remove the another area and background. Go to face. Can to remove it. Okay, fine. Go to see the hair. That's why I'm using these options. Go to the interchange the color like a brush. See little darkness. White color have to dark, black color to light. I need to dark eye. Just select the eye. More darkiness. Okay. Go to the layer mode. Color bone. Select opacity 60%. See, this is the pencil sketch. This is the image to pencil sketch. This is original. This is the sketch, pencil sketch. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.